Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is to do a tutorial of this palette, Mana. This is a Polynesian brand. You know, support your polys. Specifically, she is Samoan, just like Leilani here. Me, there. When I did ask Cheryl, that's the name of the owner to this company, I asked her to tell me a little bit more about the company. She wants to open the doors for more Polynesian women in the beauty industry. I've noticed after she told me, but there are a lot of companies that use Polynesian culture as their packaging in the beauty industry, or as their theme, and she just wants to bring more attention to the actual Polynesian women who represent the things that they're using. So I think this is a great idea. I know you guys want to get to the giveaway, so I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be back to start with my eyeshadow. I'm not really sure how to say all of these, if not even half of these. I'm learning, but I do not want to butcher it. My eyes are primed. We're going to go in with this shade here called Fatu. I do know how to say this. It means heart in Samoan. I know that for a fact. That's one of my cousin's names. So I'm going to go in with this blending brush.
Very pigmented.
Just blend it out. Damn. Bless me. Thank you.
Blend it out.
I'm going to go with this shade. This is a deeper red shade here. This one. I'm going to go right under the other shade. Then lastly, I'm going to use, it's actually a concealer brush from Crown with this matte shade here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to bring that all the way up to my crease. This is a very beginner-friendly look. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush that has nothing on it. It's a blending brush. I'm just going to blend all of that out. Perfect. And now we go again with the concealer brush for the lid. So now I'm going to put some lashes on and I'll be back on camera. I actually need to clip my hair back. Oop. Here's the look without face makeup. Oh, I think it's so pretty. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna finish my face and then I'll be back to finish the eye look and then my lips. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I finished my face. Well, for the most part. I'm gonna go back in with Fatu and put that under my eye line. Just gonna use this fluffy brush here. And then before that, all I did was add some bottom eyeliner and some mascara. And then I'm gonna go in with this pointy brush here, and I'm gonna go with Diamante. I think that's how you say it. Diamante. Juju. Pointy. I like it. Ooh. I'm gonna use this shade again. Wee. For my eyeshadow. My eyebrow arch. Here. That is super pretty. I love how that looks. Honestly, this could be a highlight shade. Lipstick I'm going to use will be Kimberly. I'm Go back in with Nude Truffle. The liner I used to line my lips. Gonna sharpen it a little bit and just line it again. Lastly, just gonna go on with my clear gloss that isn't so clear anymore. It's a lip plumper. Use it all the time. And just put that right on top. Right on top. Put it right on top. This always gives me the plump I need. Here's the finished look. So I decided to stick with a more natural look. Something that if you receive this palette or you buy this palette, something you can do super simple and then build up from what I just showed you. Marley be over it. But I guess he wanted to say hi. He was crying the whole time. He just wanted his mom to pick him up. Oh my gosh. You made it through the whole video, so now we're gonna go over the giveaway rules. So we're actually doing 2 giveaways. That means 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 chances to win. First rule is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as you should, and like this video. So subscribe and like this video. This is the rule for both giveaways. It's just press the little button down there. So the second rule for Instagrammers are to follow Tufele Cosmetics. I'll put the @ name right here on the screen. We're going to make a giveaway post and all you have to do is like and comment on that post. Number 2, you're going to go to Twitter, follow Tufele Cosmetics there, enter the Twitter name here. You retweet the giveaway post and then comment. So on Instagram and Twitter, your comments don't have to be specific. You can compliment the palette, share what you would like about the palette, what I really want to hear, where exactly you're from, and then what this palette coming from a Polynesian woman would mean to you. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you're not Polynesian, that doesn't exclude you from winning this. Make sure you follow the rules. They're really simple, and then I'll put them again in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts. Follow all of my social media. I'm at Leilani Orange on everything. Thank you for tuning into this video. Good luck in the giveaway, and I'll see you guys on the next one.